What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to activate the OCR into your Windows computer. What is it? It's the Optical Character Recognition. And basically, let me show you an example. This text isn't copyable, okay? I can't copy the text, I just can click. Imagine that you are watching, for example, a video on YouTube and the YouTuber shows a text, a prompt of AI, and you would like to copy this prompt. Take a print screen. Nothing gonna happen, but if you use this tool right here, just like this, you can click into this tool, you can select the content, and all the content gonna be searchable, and you can copy the content out of your print screen and place wherever you want. How to do this? All you have to do is go to your Windows Start menu, go to Microsoft Store. Into the search, you're gonna search for PowerToys. Go to Microsoft PowerToys. It's a native app from Microsoft team. Click on Install Now, download and open. It's simple, easy, and as soon as you do this, you're gonna have the option to enable this, and in every time you use the print screen button on your keyboard, you're gonna be able to see this option right here, and this, and this, and it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!